everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video, I actually have a full face of new makeup. So these are products that you guys requested I try out on this channel. So these are like new products, mostly new products, I will say that. So yeah, let's just get right into the video.
India's biggest sale, Amazon Prime Day sale, is from 15th to 16th of July. You can get up to 80% off on your favorite fashion and beauty brands and up to 25% cashback on the first purchase.
So the first thing that I have here is a skincare, and it is from Moody, and this is their Hydro Boost or Gel Moisturizer, and this is formulated with hyaluronic and coconut water. Both of these products, these ingredients is something that I love, and a lot of you guys told me to try this one out, and I tried it. I actually do really like it. I love the fragrance. Yes, this does have fragrance, so if you have sensitive skin you might not really like it, but the fragrance I love. It's so calming. It's not overwhelming, but yeah, it does have fragrance in here. Anyway, coming to the hydration part, I feel like this doesn't overly make my skin look oily, but it does hydrate enough. This is the product that I used today even as like a primer, so I didn't go with another primer today, and I feel like my skin is hydrated. I don't feel, you know, my skin is tacky, sticky, uncomfortable in any way. Obviously I will have to keep on using it, but so far I do really like it. It's something that's been working. So now let's move into the other product. So the next product that I have here is from Renee, and this is the BB cream. So this actually has SPF 30, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, all of that. A lot of you guys told me to try out this BB cream, and a lot of you said that this is your favorite. So I had to try it out. So the shade that I got is a little bit dark for my skin tone, but when I was blending it out, I noticed that this hardly have any coverage. It's more like a skin tint rather than a BB cream. So I think so, even though this shade is a little bit mismatched, I feel like it does work. Although I really like it, I just think that my favorite BB cream will always be Mars BB cream. That's stuff is just on another level, and I love my Mars BB cream. Nothing beats it. No high-end product, no drugstore product, no affordable product, nothing beats it. Although this is actually a good BB cream, it's not bad, but I personally would choose the Mars one. This definitely gives a little sheer coverage, but not too much. So if you have like a lot of dark spots, dark circles, pigmentation, uneven skin tone, this is not going to cover those up. But if you really want that minimal natural makeup look, then maybe you can try this. So the next product I have here with me is the Swiss Beauty. This is the full coverage concealer. Now you guys know I have tried every concealer from Swiss Beauty, I feel like, and I was only left to try out this particular product, and I tried it today. I do have to say I had really high expectation from this, because every time I try a Swiss Beauty concealer, I'm impressed by the formula. With this one, however, I don't know, it looks a little bit drying on my under eyes. That's something I noticed. It's not my favorite. It is creasing a little bit here as well. I do love all the other Swiss Beauty concealers, all the other bases that Swiss Beauty have, but this one wasn't a hit. And although I will still keep on using it, it's not my favorite. The packaging of this is very heavy, at least I can say that. For a really affordable product, the packaging and everything is good. Maybe this would suit more oily skin type. For me, it wasn't a hit. But the next product that I have from Swiss Beauty blew my mind, and I was like, oh my god, how is this eyeshadow palette so inexpensive? Like, this eyeshadow palette from Swiss Beauty, I saw this yesterday, like I got this yesterday, I was using this yesterday as well. So I got this yesterday, and I was like, oh my god, that looks gorgeous. On the screen, you know, on the website, it didn't look as good, but when I saw this, I immediately knew that the shimmers are going to be very creamy. Now this eyeshadow has only one matte shade, the pink one. The rest of these are shimmers, but let me tell you, these are not just normal type of shimmers, okay? They are those creamy, pigmented, high-end sort of shimmers. And by looking at this palette, by like, you know, using it on my eyes, I feel like the formulation of this palette is exactly like high-end eyeshadows. It is so creamy, like there is no difference between this and maybe like a 3,000, 2,500 rupees eyeshadow palette. I see no difference at all. And for this eyeshadow palette to be so affordable and have these amazing quality shadows, I feel like no other affordable brand has exactly these kinds of formulation. You guys know I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes in my collection that I truly love, and I think that those are really great as well. But after using this, the formula is just chef's kiss. I love it. I just think that you guys should definitely give this a try. I have the shade Rose and Petals, and wow, just wow. I'm definitely going to keep this in my everyday makeup stash from now on. So the next product I have here is a product that you guys sent on my DM. I have received like 3 DMs maybe, not that much, but when I saw this shade, I was like immediately sold, because this is a purple blush and it's a purple matte blush. Now I do have purple liquid cream blushes in my collection, but a purple matte blush I did not have it, so I got it. Now this is from My Glam and it's in the shade Lust. Now while looking at this purple, it is a very cool tone kind of a purple. When you blend it out, it gives a very nice rosy sort of a finish to it. I love it. This is a product that is going to suit brown skin. I know a lot of the times people do not, you know, brown skin beauties do not apply purple blush or purple makeup because you feel like this is not going to suit our skin tone. But let me tell you, this purple shade looks so flattering on my skin tone, and it is going to look flattering on yours as well. Definitely, I feel like with the makeup look and the lip gloss, it's a little bit too purple for me today. I would not wear this look like this outside. With the eyes, I would totally pair a soft shade of pink, you know, on my cheeks, and on my lips I would wear like a nude lipstick. While today I had to try out this product, so might as well just apply everything on the face. I love it. The formulation of this blush is also good. Like, it's matte, but it's buildable. It also like spreads very nicely, so it's not patchy. It doesn't look like this blush is sitting on top of your skin. You guys know when it comes to matte blushes, I am not a big fan of matte blushes, but this one was good. So the last product that I have here is again a purple lip gloss. I do not own any purple lip gloss, unfortunately. I am in love with purple makeup these days, but I need to have purple in my collection, and I saw this on Amazon. This wasn't suggested, I think so, by any of you. I saw this on Amazon and I was like, oh wow, a purple blush, let's try it. Now while you're applying this blush, I feel like it has more of that pinky purple sort of shade, and I like it. Obviously it's looking a little bit too loud with my makeup, with my eye makeup especially, I will say. With this blush, I'll just do a very minimal eye makeup, maybe just one eyeshadow and just mascara, that's it. I think then it would look good. Although with this makeup it's not looking really good, but the lip gloss is very moisturizing. It's almost like a lip balm, and it does have a pretty good shine as well. This is going to obviously fade away. It's a lip gloss, so as you can see, this is going to fade away, but it does leave a very nice kind of tint behind, so you don't have to worry about this fading away in a bad or patchy way. This is not uncomfortable on my lips at all. It is almost, as I said, like a lip balm consistency, but in a lip gloss, so it's very hydrating too. Overall, I did end up liking most of the products, but the only thing I didn't like today was the concealer. Wasn't the best. The rest was actually really good. Our favorites have to be the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, the blush, and the lip gloss. These three are definitely a must-have from now on. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys a lot, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye.